Mama went shopping. Ah, come on in. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kin Woven Home. I'm Sharrah, and today we are in my guest house, and we are gonna do something really fun. So you guys know I've been working on our Airbnb project, the Stone Cottage. And as you can see, I have done some shopping. I walked in here the other day and I was like, whoa, this place is full. I've been buying things like little by little, kind of been accumulating them, which is how I kind of like to do it. I have my design plan, I have my aesthetic, I know my colors, I know the types of things that I'll be looking for. And whenever I see stuff that pops up that I'm like, oh, that would look great in the Stone Cottage, I grab it. Because you never know what you're gonna need. And honestly, as you know, the words we live by, always overbuy. Be mindful when you overbuy that you overbuy at places that you can return in the event that you need to. Today's video is gonna be all about the haul. So we're gonna go show you things from Target. I'm gonna show you things from antique stores, some from thrift stores, some from garage sales. We're just gonna chit chat and gab about all these fun things that I can't wait to decorate with, which I think is just kind of a fun video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Okay, question of today's video is, do you prefer vintage shopping, like going to antique stores, or do you like in the store big box shopping? So like Target or Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn. Leave me your answer in the comments below. And let's get to unwrapping some of these packages. I think I've forgotten a couple of the things, so this is gonna be really fun for me too. Let's talk about bowls and vases, y'all. And canisters. I got a variety of different shapes, colors, sizes, textures, things that are stackable. I got these actually for 4th of July, but I also thought they're actually pretty cool and we could probably use them somewhere in the Stone Cottage. But as I always tell you guys, when it comes to accessorizing, when you go into accessorizing a bookshelf or a table or a coffee table or an entryway, you wanna have different shapes, you wanna have different sizes. I love that I have a couple different colors too, so not everything's white. I love the texture on this particular pot. It just looks very old world, but it's from Target. All the stuff I'm showing you right now is from Target, and I'm gonna link it below. Some of it's sold out, some of it will get restocked. Love this wicker rattan vase. I have 2 of these. I could just put it on a desk by itself, or I could put some faux greens in it or fresh greens if I wanted to. Love this pot. Looks very like deteriorated. That deteriorated vibe, that's what I'm going for. And I love faux plants because doing faux plants in an Airbnb is great. It is low maintenance. Put this in a kitchen, put it by a window, put it in a bedroom. You can adjust it because it's plastic. What else? Okay, so we also have low profile bowls. So this would look really great next to something that's a little bit taller, up on some books, and maybe some beads like spilling out of it or something. But this is a very matte kind of rough finish. But I love that it has like its own little pedestal here that would look really great next to something that is a little bit lower profile with maybe a taller vase in the back. And again, home goods as well. I know Target has stuff like this. I actually have it in my office, but I'm not putting it in the cottage. And I love whenever you see a set that has 2 boxes, just buy it because there are so many places you can use that. They're functional, you can put stuff in them, but they're great height. You can have things spilling out of the boxes. It just looks really good in a bookshelf or on a console or an entryway. And I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna use all of these things in the cottage. I mean, and some of these things can be pretty practical. You can put fruit in this, you can put popcorn in this. So these are some of my bowls, vases, faux plants. Let's move on to dishes. No, pillows. Let's do pillows.
We're just getting started.
I know. So, you know I have a thing with pillows, right? And gosh darn it, Studio McGee, why did you have to come out with all these cute pillows? I kind of love it. But don't tell Tyler. You guys, these were all delivered individually. I had 15 bags outside my house. The UPS guy was like, are these all for you? I'm like, yeah, sorry. Tyler's at McDonald's, that little sneak. He gets a $3 burger. I get $300 worth of pillows, okay? No, actually, I don't even think it was that much. These are very affordable. Let's say, did they say the price on here? Yeah, 20 bucks. Penalty of law. This tag is not to be removed except by the consumer. So I guess that's me. I guess I'm allowed. But they're very serious about their tags. But for real, I leave all these tags on. When I decide I'm gonna use them, I will take all of these tags off. I love that some are more basic and just like a simple texture. I got several of these in different sizes. There's this size. I love that it has this leather detail and zipper. So I love these. I love that they're all different colors, but you see their color palette goes together. We have some of the warm caramels with some of the green, with some of this like rust color, a little bit orangier rust. But I think that they all kind of are very cohesive. They all go together and they'll look really great on the sofas and the beds that I have planned for this Airbnb. You know, part of me wants to use these in my own house. Putting all the good stuff in the Airbnb, man. Should I go live right now? Ooh. All right, so that's the big guy. I think it's safe to say I have a problem with Target. All of these are from Target except for one. These I'm really excited about. So I actually accidentally got plug-in, but my electrician should be able to hardwire these because all the materials are in here. You just have to have him pull them through and then you can put it on the back. But these are gonna go in the kitchen, I think, like that. Then I've got this honker. To be honest, it might be a little bit too big for the space I'm thinking. I won't know till I get it in there, but this is one of those tried and true styles that I could really use anywhere in any project or even in my home. So I'm not worried about it. In fact, I could even put this in my office and use the one that's in my office in the Airbnb if I had to. This is a floor lamp. Can you guys see this? Oh, this is hard with my belly to really scooch it back any further. Can you see it? Angela looks like she's laughing at me, not with me. This is the light. It's not the chair. And I got 2 of them and they were sold out online. And then I went in the store and I saw 2 of them. Any of this stuff, if it says out of stock online, go to your local Target because you could find it there. Now these lights I found on Amazon. These are for the bathroom. So they'll go on either side of the mirror, but I love that they are like a brushed bronze color, and I think that they are sleek and modern down here but traditional on top, which I love. Super affordable for what they are, and I think they're gonna look great. But anyway, I'm excited about it. They're great options, they're affordable, and I think they're gonna just come to life so beautifully. It's gonna be fun. You're seeing all these little things individually, and then when we do that walkthrough, you're gonna get to see it all together. Okay, it's officially art time. They have these at Target, and I love when they do stuff like this because there are 2 prints that are not identical, but they go together. So if you need 2 things, I think the things behind me too, I got it. Actually, no, those are from Minted, but it's the same sort of idea. So I think those are really great. I actually thrifted this adorable little oval frame. Okay, these landscape, almost like oil painting looking things. They have a wood frame around them. You know what? I think I got these at Michael's. These are from Michael's. But I think that, you know, they kind of would go good like this in a hallway, in a bathroom. I found all these cute little kind of antique brass frames, floral prints from Target. But I love that these are all bright, colorful. I might put these in a bedroom. Also have these 2 options. You mix that with some modern furniture, clean white walls, or maybe a taupe wall, and it just really mixes that traditional vibe with more of a modern application that feels fresh and new and kind of cultured and has like a good history to it. Love this basket, primarily because it is large. It is so big. You can put it on a table. If you wanted to put stuff in it, you can hang it on a wall, which is probably what I'm gonna do. I just think that it's a really good size basket, and I believe I got this at a garage sale. At the same garage sale, I got this bag, which is not gonna be used as a decoration, but this bag came with it, which is also not gonna be used as a decoration. I just wanted to show you. But look how cute those are. I also found this at Target. I'm gonna put this probably by the back door. It's a little cheesy, like definitely falls in the category of a tchotchke, but it's my only one, so I'm just gonna let myself have it, okay? These I found at a garage sale. I love the style. I love the antique nature. I love the fact that they have some rust red color in them. These I got on Facebook Marketplace, okay? It came in a set for like 20 bucks. And what I'll do is go on Etsy and find some cool printable art pieces. So you can usually get like a digital download for like 10 bucks. Okay, this was at that same garage sale for $15, but we got it for $5 because the guy really wanted to get rid of it. But I thought that was so cute. That's like Sawyer. And well, that looks nothing like Scout, but we're just gonna pretend that's Scout. I also have these frames I got at Walmart. Ta-da! They're huge and they're brass. like edge around the side. Again, I will find a printable thing. Those will be more expensive because they're larger to find a printable thing, but on Society6, that's a great website for your own printable like images and posters and things. But those are two huge frames. Those will be good above a sofa or above a bed or down a hallway. But they were super affordable and they look really high quality and they were not expensive. They're from Walmart. So that was a really good find. Hopefully I can still link those for you. Now this mirror I found again at my neighbor's house. This was an antique find and it's very heavy and you're gonna see yourself. Ta-da! You know what? I didn't find that at my neighbor's house. There was a guy here in town who staged homes for a living, and his business, he was closing down, he was moving to Hawaii, and so we had like this last minute sale where you could buy a whole bunch of stuff from that he usually used to stage homes, and that was one of the things he had. So I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but I know I'm gonna use it. I'm excited. And last but not least, it is too heavy for me to carry in here, but there is an arched kind of window looking mirror, and it has an aged kind of coppery brass metal, and then it does have the window pane lines. And I love it because it feels very cottagey. It's a good height. It's probably, I don't know, 6 feet, 5.5 feet tall. And I also got that at that warehouse sale for the guy that used to stage homes. So I got a great deal on it. And I think it'll just look really great up on a wall or like leaning behind a piece of furniture. Up next, we have a couple accessory furniture pieces, like support furniture, like little small things, but they're really cute. So here are some of the support pieces of furniture I've found so far. I got 2 ottomans, little stools that I'm gonna put maybe under a table. I also have this amazing bench. Okay, you guys, I found this bench at the Modern Cottage store here in Tulsa. It's one of a kind. It is so cool, and I absolutely love it. And I'm not sure, it'll probably go at the end of a bed somewhere, or maybe in the living room somewhere, I'm not sure. And then this I actually found at my neighbor's garage sale. Thank you, Bonnie. I have no idea where she got it, but I just think this is so cool. It's like an old, like it's legit. It's been used and it's old, and it just is like a bucket. And I don't really know what I'm gonna put in here. Maybe magazines, maybe books. These are items that I'm really excited about, and they're just gonna be like supplemental pieces that I put around the house. Oh, by the way, these are from Target. All right, so when it comes to dishes, I actually, like I said, I plan to go to IKEA to take a road trip to get some things because I have to go to St. Louis, I think is where IKEA is. But I still might do that. But when I went to Target the other day, they were having a massive dish sale. Everything that I'm gonna show you was on sale. For example, these gray ceramic plates are normally $6 each, and they were on sale for $2.99. I got a full set of the same color in the salad. These were $2.49 from $5. And also the little saucer cup, so you could put fruit in here. These were normally $4 on sale for $1.99. I got big bowls. These were $2.49 a bowl. And look at these coffee mugs. These were even on sale, clearance. But I just like that they're ceramic, they're kind of like distressed looking, smooth, they have a good handle, and they'd be cute to display in the kitchen because I will have like a coffee bar there. I found these glasses, which are very thin, they'll probably break easy, but they're originally $6 on sale for $2. So I bought whatever they had of these. And I also got, these are plastic. How cool does this look? These actually weren't on sale, but they were only $2.99. I thought that these would be a good staple to have in an Airbnb. And then this is the best deal I got all day. Plastic plates. This is like in their college section, but I figure we will have an outdoor seating setup. These were 50 cents a plate and 50 cents a bowl and 50 cents a cup. So that's super exciting. And then it doesn't stop there. These are placemats. Originally $5 on sale for $2. And they're easy to wash, they're thin, they're simple, and dish towels were on sale. $3.99 on sale for $1.99. I got a couple of these Casaluna decorative waffle bath towels. Like, people could use them if they want, but I got these to like hang on a hook in the bathroom to kind of decorate the wall. I don't actually like using towels like this because I don't find that they're soft and like they don't absorb usually very well. I've never tried these ones, so these ones might be great, but I love the look of a waffle towel. And I'll probably get the actual towels for this Airbnb at Costco because you can get great towels for really great price and you can buy them in bulk. But I did get 2 matching bath mats in this color. This is what we call Angela's color. The floors are gonna be either like a creamy hexagon tile or a black and white penny tile, and so I think it'll look really good in the bathroom. Bring in like some of that warm color. Remember my pillows, how they had this color in them? That's kind of the key. In each of the rooms, you kind of string through a similar color palette. That's how you make your house feel cohesive. It doesn't mean that every room has to be the same exact colors, but you have one kind of thread that you kind of bring throughout the whole space. Makes it look cohesive and makes it look nice. Speaking of bathrooms, I have a few faucets to show you. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and we're gonna trade out the dishes for the bathroom faucets. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's here! So here are a few of the faucets. Here's what I have planned. Well, first of all, I'm really bummed about this faucet, or about this shower head situation. It's a whole bath set, and I got it at my neighbor's garage sale. Thank you again, Bonnie. Except I can't use it, and here's why. Sometimes when you have plumbing done, they put like the actual plumbing stuff behind the walls. It's set up with a certain vendor. So for example, all of the plumbing in my bathrooms were set up to only work with Delta hardware, which means this beautiful faucet the same thing happened to my neighbor, which is why she had this to sell. So I don't think this is gonna work, unfortunately, but it is worth showing because it's so beautiful. And it randomly came with a shower cap and a loofah. This is what I'm putting in my kitchen. I believe I found this at Home Depot. Isn't she pretty? Pretty affordable. I think she was like 120 bucks, which is great for this type of faucet. We got hot and we got cold and we got a little long swervy neck. Gotta put her clothes back on because she's not ready to go out yet. She's got a few more weeks before she gets installed. In my bathroom, one of my bathrooms, this is gonna be the faucet that goes in for the sink in the vanity. Love this. I think only my shower systems are Delta, but everything else, I believe I can use whatever. And I think I got this on Amazon. It comes with a stopper, a nice big wide stopper that's the right color. Here is my shower. So this is Delta. Very simple. This goes on the bath nozzle. This is the tub spout. So it's pretty basic, you know, it's gonna do the job. I like that it's gonna match the rest of the hardware. It's all gonna look good, and that's kind of what I have so far. I do need to get another shower system and another sink faucet, and then I think I will be set. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope that that was fun. I had a blast. I am even more excited about this project. I feel like I have so many little treasures that are gonna bring this biblical chic vibe to life. What I love is that I'm mixing very new current pieces with really cool found pieces. I think that's kind of the secret to having a layered, well-decorated space that doesn't look like you just bought a showroom and put it in your house. You had intention behind it, there's story behind it, there's history in it, and it feels cozy and comfortable and just designed with intention, which I think is the goal, right? You want it to feel really customized and really beautiful. So hopefully you guys are inspired. Anything that is from a big box store that I purchased that is still available online, I will be linking below. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you're interested in any of these items, hopefully they're still available when you get to see this video. And I think that's all I have. Don't forget to follow on Instagram. We do lots of live updates over there. I'm about to have a baby, so I'm sure I'll give you some sneak peeks of this sweet little boy once he's born. Very excited about that. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, Bobby. You got McDonald's? Can I have a French fry? Thanks. Did you have fun at school today?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss?
Say bye-bye.
You want to stay and film the rest of this with me?
Yeah.
Okay. I am, for the first time all day, I am so comfortable.